Imagine having the ability to quickly retrieve the projects you're most interested in without the hassle of re-entering filters and keywords every time you want to perform a search. Well, you don't need to imagine. With just a few simple steps, you can create saved searches to do the heavy lifting for you. So let's see how to make these time-saving shortcuts to make your search for the perfect project smoother and more efficient. Before you try to save a search, it's important to understand best practices for actually creating your search. If you need guidance on creating searches, please review the other videos in the library about setting up filters and performing project name searches and document searches before moving forward with creating saved searches. After you've set up your filters and keywords and created a useful search that you'd want to use again in the future, simply click the Save Search button along the top of the search screen. The Save Search pop-up window then displays. The first thing to do is to give this search a name. Ideally, you should give it a name which clearly identifies what you're searching for within this specific search criteria. After you give the saved search a name, there are a few different option toggles you can select for this search. If you activate the first toggle, ConstructConnect sends you a daily email showing you the projects that match the criteria for this search, as well as indicating new and updated projects. The next toggle allows you to apply a search tag. If you do this, you can apply a color tag to this search, and then you can simply grab this specific saved search from the Search Tags section in your Filters panel. There's also a Search Tags column in the list of search results, which shows you which tags that specific project matches. The final toggle allows you to set this search as your default. Doing this would automatically apply the criteria from this search every time you navigate to the search screen. Review the list of filters in the Applied Filters section. If something looks wrong, you can press Cancel to go back and make changes before saving. Once you're happy with the settings for this search, press the Save button. Now that the search is saved, how do you actually use it when you need it? The saved searches are conveniently located within the Saved Searches section at the top of your Filters panel. Simply select the saved search you want to use from that section to bring up the relevant projects. Note that the Saved Searches section is locked to the top of the panel, so even as you scroll, the saved searches always remain visible and easy to select. By using the Saved Search feature, you can transform the way you find and track projects within ConstructConnect. Creating saved searches makes it easier than ever to streamline your search process and ensures that you don't miss out on the projects that are most relevant for your company.